not to toot my own horn, but beep beep, beep beep, beep beep, beep beep, beep beep, beep beep. First of all, I want to say I'm so sorry about posting this video late. Like, I'm super late. Please forgive me. I'm so sorry. But I'm here today to tell you that it is okay to brag about your accomplishments in a very humble way. Like, I think it's so sad that we work so hard in life to achieve goals, to accomplish dreams that we've had, just to be afraid to talk about them because we're scared of coming off as arrogant. Now listen, I know sometimes when there are people out there who brag about themselves and it sounds very arrogant, but you have to understand, it's all about the tone. But honestly, at the end of the day, what is wrong about hyping yourself up? What is wrong about talking about your accomplishments? Let me tell you something. You are your number one fan. Be your own number one fan. If nobody is supporting you, baby, support yourself. So you know what? Brag about your accomplishments. And listen, if you're afraid to seem like, oh, well, you know, I did this, that's okay. You can be very humble about your accomplishments. I call that a humble brag. I think people should be so much more open to being proud and owning their accomplishments. Don't stop owning your accomplishments about how other people will feel. Listen, own your accomplishments and humbly brag about it. I can't say humbly. Anyway, you brag about your accomplishments and you be happy and you proud. And you know what? Be humble while doing so, because I get it. Nobody likes someone who isn't a humble person. But you be humble and be filled with grace and pride and joy and brag about your accomplishments. You better beep beep, toot toot, whoop whoop, beep beep, toot toot when it comes to your accomplishments. Don't be ashamed. Don't be shy. Speak well. Speak proud and loud about yourself. And like I said, own up to your accomplishments, okay? Because you did that. You did that on your own, and don't let anyone make you feel shameful for bragging on yourself. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That what? Hit that bell, so you can get my notifications. And guys, like I said, I am so sorry about posting this video late. I gotta get my life together, but I hope you guys had a wonderful, bomb-popping weekend. Until the next time, guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye. Thank you.